our scholars, children, these days I am observing that you all are doing your work well, and I am very much happy with you. So, now today we are starting chapter number 12, verbs. So, let us observe few pictures and sentences that will help you. So, first is he slips on the bed. Then, second is they play every day. Third is she teaches us. So here the word slips, play, teaches are verbs. Why? Because a verb is a doing word that shows an action. These all words are showing some or other action. Yes, so whether we call it action word or verb, these both are same. Now let us let us see some more example of verbs. Eat, dance, read, hit, give, write, pull, throw, then shout, cry, catch, drink, sit, sing. These all are verbs because they are showing some action. Yes. Now let us do one exercise that is given in your grammar magic book. So the children in these pictures are doing something. Write down the doing words. Okay, so we are writing some doing words in front of the picture. So the first picture you can see two children are skipping the rope. They are doing skipping. So which is the doing word? Skip. Then see the second picture. What does this boy is doing? So he is eating. So it is a doing word. Okay, so there are many more pictures that you have to do it by your own. It is very simple and easy. Right. Now in exercise B, match the verbs with the picture. So these all are verbs. Dance, fly, sit, write, slip, drink. Okay, and these are the pictures. Now we have to match the pictures with the verbs. So in first picture, what the boy is doing? Drink. He is drinking. So we will match with the verb drink. Then in second picture, girl is dancing. Yes. So we will match it with the verb dance. Then in this picture, boy is slipping. So we will match it with the verb slip. Girl is sitting on the chair. Yes. So we will match with the verb sit. Then bird is flying. So we will match with the verb fly. And in last picture, the girl is writing. So write. We will match with the verb write. Children, there are three more pictures that you have to do it by your own. Now, in exercise C, circle the verbs in the sentences. So here the sentences are given and we have to find out the verbs from the sentence. Okay, so in first, I walk to school every day. Now which action is going on? So walk. Yes, so walk is a verb. We will circle it. Then in second, the birds sing sweetly. Which action is going on? Which is the doing word here? Sing. So we will circle it because sing is a verb or action word. Then third, they climb the hill every morning. So here, which is the action word? Climb. Yes. So it is a verb. Then I brush my teeth twice a day. Which action is going on? Brushing. Yes. So we will circle the word brush. Then a carpenter works with wood. So here which action is going on? Work. Yes. So we will circle the verb works. And in last, the teacher smiles at us. So here which action is going on? Smiles. So we will circle the verb smiles. Children, few more sentences are there. That is homework for you. So do it by your own. Now here in exercise D, tick the correct verb. So now again the sentences are given and we have to correct the verb. We have to find out the verb. So in first sentence, we play or plays tennis. Now what will come? We play tennis or we plays tennis? We play tennis. Why? Children, we is a plural form. Yes. So along with plural form, singular verb will go. We play tennis. Now in second, she dances well. She dances well. She dances well. So she dances well because she is a singular and dances as is written. It is a plural. So she dances well. Then in third, father cooks or cook well. Father cooks well or father cook well. Now father is a singular or plural? Singular. Yes. And cooks is a plural. So singular noun and plural verb. Father cooks well. Now we eat fruits when we are hungry. So we is a plural form. So eats or eat? Yes, in eat, because along with plural form it will always go a singular verb. So we eat fruits when we are hungry. Last is Fiza swims well. Now Fiza is a singular boy, one single boy. So Fiza swims well. Plural verb will go. Right. So children, finish all this exercise. Along with this video, you will definitely get a PDF file. Happy learning!